Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will explain to you how to download the Firefox standalone browser. The word standalone is heard a lot for a large number of applications, and it is a desktop application designed in a way that this application runs without an internet connection or any access to the server. Naturally, web-based applications need an internet connection, servers and any additional resources to run, but standalone applications do not require any additional resources, such as an internet connection, and therefore a standalone application is used when the user wants to perform any specific task on a local device, without the requirement of an internet connection to the system. That is, you can install the browser on a local computer, without the internet. I will explain the steps. Open any browser you have on your computer, and type in the search, download Firefox Standalone. And from the search results, open the first results from the official Firefox browser support website. On this page you will find all versions of Firefox browser, whether for desktop or mobile. What interests me now is the desktop version, and you will find all versions of Firefox from it. Click on the recommended version. Under the platforms section, you will find many versions available for Windows that the standalone browser will work with. Select the version you want to download the browser for. Here select the language you want to download Firefox browser in. You will find many languages available. Then click on Download Now. Wait for a few seconds until the browser is finished downloading. The next step is to disconnect from the internet to verify the installation of the browser without the internet. Thus, you can install the browser on any computer without an internet connection or any access to the server to run this program or browser. Click on the browser's executable file to install Firefox browser, and continue the installation process, and then the application will be installed successfully, without connecting to Firefox servers, or any internet connection. I will leave you a link to download the Firefox standalone browser in the video description. There are many applications that you can download standalone. The standalone application is used when the user wants to perform any specific task on a local device, without the need for an internet connection to the system. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.